Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampin' Crew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. Happy 4th of July. I did not obviously make it back to do videos last week. We had company for so long and they all left on Sunday, just this past Sunday, and you know, I was just exhausted. I've been exhausted today. I finally got a sleep-in day, but I am ready to get back to doing a few videos. So just ignore I've got ink all over my finger here and I can't get it off. I'll just have to live with it. I don't know what happened. Okay, so we're going back to our card design and we're gonna do a 4th of July card since today is 4th of July. And I'm going to do this one right here. If you can see, it's the 6th one on the top. I don't know, I can't even see here. This one right here. And we're going to use the Round We Go bundle, which is a stamp set and dies. This is perfect for 4th of July. I posted some pictures this morning on my Facebook group that had several projects that I made or my friend made with some of these items. So check that out because they're super, super cute. Okay, let's get going. Of course, we're gonna use red, white, and blue. And I'm gonna just start out with a white, thick white card base. And we're gonna do this, I think we're gonna do a bottom opening card. So we'll do 4 1/4 by 11. All right, we'll need this back. And I had done, let's go ahead and score this halfway because it doesn't always want to bend smoothly. It's nice to score it when we do that style of cut. Now, you can tell I've been out of it for a week. I just don't even know where anything is. Okay. So we've got our card base, and then I grabbed a bag of my scraps from workshops this month. So I'm just gonna go from these, and it's got a couple of, it's like rectangles. So there's 3 rectangles, and I think I'm gonna do, how tall do I wanna make this? Where's my, let's see if we make them 1 1/2. Let's do 2 navy, night of navy at 1 1/2, and then we'll do, is that 1 1/2? Yes. And then we'll do a red one at 1 1/2. Then we'll look at it. The red's a little bit shorter, but that's okay. And let's see how that looks. We'll just slide all that out of the way. So we kind of have, they're kind of, you know, off a little bit. And then it's got a little circle, but I'm just gonna put a little firework. I have a piece of this. This is from the Mediterranean balloons. Oh, no, I think that gets lost in there. Let's see. Meh, don't like that either. We're just gonna go with the silver. This is gonna be very simple. And I am going to stamp on one of these blues. I might cut them down a little bit, but I think I'm gonna stamp and heat emboss Time to Celebrate from here. So we'll use our embossing buddy right there. We'll use some Versamark ink. We'll do Time to Celebrate, maybe just to the right, a little bit of center. And then use some white embossing powder. Our embossing powders are back in stock, which I'm very excited about. Starting to run a little bit low on some of them. I love white. I use white a lot. Okay. And then during the holidays, I'll use the silver and gold. All right, it'll take just a second for our heat tool to warm up. I usually just hold it one spot until I see it starting to heat. Once it's warmed up, it goes really quick, or quickly. See, it's starting to go here. Do you see how it loses that graininess and then turns bright white and glossy? That's what we want. So you want to make sure you get it the whole thing so there's no graininess left. You don't want to overheat it though. All right. I think we might go with that. Okay, let's, of course I'm out of seal adhesive upstairs. So we're gonna go with our liquid glue. Let's put this one kind of in the center. We'll put our red. You know, and these don't have to be perfect. I'll put the red over a bit. I'll put this one back, maybe back a little bit the other way. I'm not even popping these up. I'm just gonna glue them down. Time to celebrate. And let's pop up our, looking for dimensionals here, some mini dimensionals. Okay, we'll pop up our firework right here. I got a couple of these. I put these in the center of another one, but let's just do these for our embellishments. Let's pop these up too. I have another one of these. Should I put another one? Oh, I have 3. That's too much, I think. I think it's, well, I don't know. Sometimes you just got to kind of lay it out and see if it's going to be enough, too much. Let's put one of those gold dots there. Grab another gold dot. Almost feels like there's 2 of them there, but maybe not. Let's put one here, and then we'll do one more. Because fireworks are all different colors. So we can go with silver and gold. We'll have that one kind of maybe going just a tad off the blue. And I think that's it. It's super simple. Let's add a couple gems. You know what? Because, just because I have some. Well, here's some silver sequins. I was looking for something else, but these will work. This is what I found. This is what we're going to use. We can add a little one to that, or one of the big ones. Oh, why is there fuzz on here? I don't know. Who knows where these sequins have been? Add one down here. Wow, my sequins got into some fuzz of some sort. I don't think it's cat hair. I think it's fuzz. Let's just finish off this sheet. One more going up there. All right, I don't know if that added anything, but there we go. Sometimes it's just fun to add a little bit extra. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's super quick and easy project. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. I would love to have your order this month. I'll post the host code for July below. And I will see you back here on Saturday. Thanks, everybody. Happy 4th. Be safe. Bye-bye.